Okay, now there are things I need to tell with you the current situation. First of all, I will list down the available comport. Now we have only COM5 as is currently connected between my laptop and this device. I mean the scale scanner. So I will connect to this COM. So if we do some tests on that, okay, it's now you see that it's connected to the confine in scale mode. Don't care about the scale, the name of scale mode. In fact, now you will see that I will do the scan a product and try to read the barcode from the console. Now I read it. You see the barcodes here, making it working well with the barcode. Now I will try to get a scale. I implemented as the write command, write a character W, and then try to read the result. No data received. I also try with a lot of command to see which command is used to read out the scale. I try as much as possible with the command to write to the serial port, hoping to get the scale from that, but there is nothing received. Okay, you see that I don't know how to get the scale value from the scale. Can you help me? Thank you.